are you today? My name is Melissa if you're new here, and today I'm going to be doing a little haul of sorts. I'm going to be sharing with you guys lots of fall things that I have been loving already. It's been like 68 to 70 degrees for I don't know, like a week here in Minnesota where I live, and I'm just loving the fall cozy vibes, and I'm totally ready for fall. So I'm going to be sharing lots and lots of Halloween and fall content coming up soon, but I thought I would just start off by sharing some of my favorite things that I have been loving lately. Mostly everything is from Walmart, and some of the things are also from Marshall's. I am out in my pub shed, if you have noticed, and you might hear the cicadas singing in the background because the kids aren't back to school yet, so my house is very loud. So this is where I've been doing lots of my recording this summer. Let's get on to this video so I can make it short for you guys and stop jabbering. The first thing that I want to share with you guys is this beautiful flannel shacket. It's so cute, and it also comes in a green. This one just felt so cozy and fall to me. I will show you guys myself trying on all of the clothes items that I got as well, but I really love this, and I got it in a size small. I'll also put my measurements in the down bar if you want to compare like how things will fit you, and I am 5'2" for reference. The next shirt is this beautiful ribbed kind of burnt orange shirt. It's very stretchy. It has a hood, and this one has no pockets. I did get this one in a size medium. I liked how the small fit me better if I was to wear it buttoned up, but I kind of figure that I'm going to be wearing this one open, and I just like the look of the medium better on me for the oversized look, and it gave me more length in the sleeves because I have very long arms for being a shorter person. I really love this one. It's very soft and cozy and just not as hot as the last one that I tried on for you guys, but highly recommend. Next thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is these cute bandanas. So I bought 4 this year. I have a massive collection of these, and I have, every year they come out with new ones at Walmart. They used to be 97 cents, and now they're $1.97, I believe. Still a good price. They're much thinner than the old ones, but I kind of love them that way because you're able to wrap them and they're flat. You don't have to wash and dry them first. And so this is the color of just kind of like a burnt orange one, and then I love this beautiful fall colored one, and same here with this one. Lots of pretty fall colors for a floral, and of course spider webs, because you can't go wrong. You have to have some neutral black and white stuff with like my orange and stripy and Halloween sweaters. If you guys haven't seen that video before, go check that out because I have a huge Halloween try-on haul for you from last year, and I'm going to be sharing some more Halloween clothes in this and probably other future videos as well. Okay, you guys, look at this little mini backpack. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's like all the hippie vibes. These are like my favorite colors, if you guys don't know. It's just so cute. It's by Madden NYC. It's like the Steve Madden brand for Walmart. So it comes with this nice little coin purse, and then also pockets on the sides, and of course the 3 different pockets and on the front. And then on the inside there is also another big zipper pocket, and then some more over here for like chapsticks or whatnot. So I just think this is so perfect for fall, so cute. I still love the little mini backpack trend. It's nice to have something a little bit bigger but easier to carry. And this does come in a, I think, side sling purse as well, or maybe it's just a little handheld purse, but it definitely comes in other shapes if you guys don't like the mini backpack but you love this pattern. Then I got a new book from Walmart as well, and it's going to be perfect for the fall and spooky season in my opinion. It's about a handsome New Yorker that comes to a small town to investigate some mysterious lights in a cemetery, and it's a love story, of course, so spooky mystery vibes. spooky cemetery vibes, and it's like perfect time for October reads or the spooky season coming up. I can't wait. I'm only about a fourth of the way through so far and I'm already loving it. My most favoriteest item from this summer, I swear, is this cup. You guys, I didn't even know what the Stanley Cup thing was all about. I didn't even know what it was. I just got this because I was scrolling through Walmart, and I saw this, and I'm not a big water bottle person. I don't collect them like a lot of people do. I don't know, I just thought this would be perfect because it could fit in my cup holder. It had a really nice big handle, and then I assumed I was going to throw the straw away, but it's a nice silicone, like rubbery straw, and I ended up loving this. So I only use it for ice water. I will fill this thing to the top with ice and water, and it will last me like probably almost 48 hours. It'll stay in here with ice still in here, so it's amazing. This one was about $15, which is to me pricey because I like to buy my stuff cheaper. I did just order one of these on Temu, which I'll be sharing with you guys in my future Temu October like goodies, fall goodies video, and I'm going to compare it to this one and like fill them up with ice and see if it lasts as long as this one. I don't have a Stanley to compare it to, but this one is really amazing. And look at this cute bright orange. It also comes in, I think, a black, a blue, and a pink as well. Then I randomly found these silicone straws at Walmart, and you guys, I'm really bummed out because they're not tall enough for my cups, but the one that I got on Temu is, I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know if it's going to be shorter than my orange cup or not, but it has a plastic straw, which I hate plastic straws, so I would rather use disposable or silicone. And so I don't know if these will fit in there or not, but either way, these were only like $3 or $4, and you get a set of 6 of them. And these are perfect for like the kids, and I don't know, it's just nice. You don't like bang your teeth on like a plastic straw. So if you haven't tried a silicone straw, I highly recommend trying them. The next thing that I have to share with you guys are these eyeshadow palettes. So these are from Hard Candy. They are under $4, and they have so many good colors. But these are the ones that I was drawn to because I love warm eyeshadow colors. They also do have cool tones, purples, blues, like every color you can imagine, pinks, mauves. But these are my favorites, and I think that they are perfect for fall, and I have them on my eyes today. I have a combination of all 3 of these on my eyes today, and then I also have glitter. That was a bug. I thought it was a hair. It's a mosquito, and it just bit my face. But anyways, I do have a glitter over it, like right in the center, which is not in these palettes, but the shimmers and the mattes are both good. The yellow one is called Buzz. This one is called Bear, which is like the most neutral color. I just realized that my memory card is full, so sorry. I hope that this is still good enough quality video, but this orange colored one is called Burn. Then I have this perfect fall chapstick, which is a CoverGirl. It's called Clean and Fresh, and the shade is in Bliss You Berry. This looks so dark, you guys, but if you are part of the makeup community, I can't talk, you probably would have already heard of this. I've been looking for this for a while, but it is supposed to be a really good dupe for the Clinique Black Honey, which has been discontinued, and it's like the perfect, like Your Lips But Better fall color. And this one honestly is even a little dark for me. Right now I'm tan. I am a very, very pale skinned person, so I feel like this is even almost too much. But I do love it, and I'll blot it and I'll put a lip gloss over it. Today I have like 2 different lip glosses over it, so you can't really tell the color, but I'll show you a swatch. This is the swatch. I did 1 swipe and then like 4 swipes, which it's not that much different. So you can tell it's pretty opaque for a chapstick, but I really do love it. I want to try some of the lighter colors, like a bright red maybe, or maybe like a lighter pink as well, because these do seem very moisturizing and I really like them. Then I got this beautiful ribbed sweater from Walmart as well. It is $15.98, and it comes in a white, a black, and also like kind of a pinkish coral color. It's so beautiful. It's definitely a tunic length, especially on me, but it does have the side slits, and I really love how soft it is. And I love this kind of thing because you can wear it with leggings and it covers up your booty, and I just think it's so, so pretty, and I love this color for fall. Also, if you guys are wondering where this is from, it's a little jack-o'-lantern. I also have a ghost one, and I love them both. They're from Amazon. so I can also try to link all of this stuff below. If I forget anything, then ask me in the comments and I will find the link for you. Neighbors randomly decided to do construction now, so I'm sure you guys can hear that, and I'm really sorry about the background sounds, but I did want to finish showing you guys everything that I got so I can get this video up as soon as possible. This one is also another green top, as you can tell. It's very soft and just kind of almost like a sweatshirt material. It says meet me at the pumpkin patch. It has this beautiful little gold pumpkin on here. It also has the side slits, and this one I think is very cute. It also comes in like I think 5 different prints, but this one was my favorite. I know this is just a black puffer vest, but you guys, it's like $12.98. It is the cropped length, but not too cropped. I got this one in a size medium. I absolutely love this one. It also has these little bungees here at the bottom. This did come in pink, and I'm wondering if it comes in any other colors as well. I'm hoping that they come out with more. I didn't really love the pink, but the black will be perfect. It'll match everything. And I've been like on the hunt for something like this, but I don't want to spend a ton of money, and I know that you can get them on Amazon right now, but like not for $12. So definitely recommend this one. It has pockets, it's very comfortable. I picked up this beautiful teal colored hoodie in the men's department. I have this hoodie in like a light gray, dark gray, and a black, and this one is just one of my favorite colors to wear, so I was really excited when I saw this color. They also had a maroon color, like burgundy one, that would be perfect for fall, and these wash and wear so nicely just for like a casual hoodie. You can put, you know, a puffer vest over it in the fall or winter time. So if you guys know me, you know I almost always have a glitter top coat to my nail polishes, and this one is going to be so perfect for fall. Bronzy, orangey glitter top coat. This one is in the color Finesse, and then it's by LA Colors, and also what I'm wearing on my nails right now is also a LA Colors one, and it is called Hyperactive. It's kind of like a neon red, and I love it so much. It's been my favorite thing this summer to wear. I also have a ton of these other neons. I have a huge nail polish collection, but this neon one is really fun. It's called Traffic Cone, and it's by Salon Perfect. So if you want a really, really bright orange for Halloween, then definitely these are really fun for the fall time and the summer too. Is this little setup not screaming fall? I love this so much. And this little sign was it was under $4, 3 something, I can't remember. That was from Walmart. These little fall colored leaves were also from Walmart, and they've got little sparkles on them. They had these last year as well, and they were $3. And I got some and made a wreath out of it, and it turned out so cute. But I'm loving them in a vase as well. The vase is actually something we got from my husband's grandparents. It's a clay pottery vase. So I'm sorry I can't link that for you guys, but this little candle, this was the first thing I'm showing you guys from Marshall's, and it's so beautiful. It has this gorgeous dark amber glass, and I love the picture on it. They also had these in lots of different pumpkin scents as well, which is what I normally gravitate towards. And then this is a little bit dusty. I got this last year. It's like this shallow little basket, and I really love it. I can't remember how much I spent on this one. It was probably somewhere around $10, but this is also from Walmart, and I saw you can still buy it right now if you guys want to get one of those for yourself. Also, this is a double-sided sign, which I almost forgot to share with you guys, and it's this really pretty green color. Oh, there's the price, $3.98, so $4. But I love both sides, but this one is definitely just perfect. I'm not a huge Crocs fan, but I've always wanted a pair of glittery Crocs, and I still have never bought a pair. And then I saw these at Walmart. So these have these cute little, it looks like a honeybee hive. They're by Joy Bees, and I'm in my normal size 8. I think they will be so perfect for fall and winter, just for like slippers around the house, and they're so pretty. And I don't know what other colors that they might be coming out with. You can also wear them in sport mode, as you can see here. They're very comfortable and very warm and just so pretty, so definitely I'm going to love these this fall season. I randomly came across these beautiful slippers in the kids section. Look at how pretty they are. And if you guys don't know, if you are a woman size 8, then you would wear a 6 in children's. And for $12.98, like, these things are so nice. They're definitely very like thick soled. They're not as soft and squishy like soles as like the memory foam that Walmart does have, but they're cute and they're fun. And all of my slippers are so worn out and disgusting after like years of wearing them. Time for me to get a new pair, and these ones fit really comfortably for my size 8. And yeah, you guys definitely check them out if you're size 8 and under. So for the past few years, I have been buying these little fragrance oil refills, and they're by Better Homes and Gardens, and they're like $3 to $4 per refill. And you guys, the little plugins are so pretty. They have so many different cute ones. The one that I have in my bathroom, it looks like glowing crystals, so it's also like a nightlight at night. But they have like lots of neutral pretty ones, and they have tons of different fall scents coming out and holiday scents as well. This one is spiced apple and cinnamon, but they also have a pumpkin chai, which is in my house right now. But definitely love these, and they have some really good like pine and like cinnamon types of Christmas scents. They are cheaper than the Bath and Body Works ones as well. Then I got a few things at Marshall's to share with you guys. So this is a 2-pack of shorts, and they're obviously Halloween shorts. One is very Halloween patterned, which is so cute, and the other one is just kind of like this gray color with the orange string, and it's $9.99 for 2 pairs, and they're just really soft and cute and comfy. It is getting cold here, but I still like to sleep in shorts a lot of the times, and these will tide me over until the real cold weather comes, and then I can pull out my super cozy Halloween pajamas. I got those in a size small, and also I got this little set in a size small. I don't have the shorts on, so I can show you them together, but the shirt says, "This girl loves Halloween," and the inside has this cute little matching plaid color, and I just think they're so cute, and I just love this set so much. This one was $12.99, so a little bit more for the shirt and shorts set, but I'm so happy with it. And the last thing I have to share with you guys is this adorable trick-or-treat mug. It says Boo inside, and it's orange, and it's just so cute. It's on both sides, and with the stripes and the black and white and orange, it just makes me so happy. So I can't wait to use this. This is from Marshall's. This was also, I think, $4.99. So they have the cutest mugs there, and they're always so cheap. So definitely check them out if you guys are looking for cute mugs, holiday mugs, any kind of mugs. All right, well, that will be all for today's video. I'm sorry about all of the recording issues and the noise issues. I'll definitely have all this stuff fixed out by next week's video. So I'm gonna have that all fixed. I'm sorry again, but I really want to get a video out to you guys because I've been so busy with the kids at home. I don't know how people are doing this YouTube thing. I'm still new to it. I am trying to survive on here and put my content out once a week at least, and it's going to be easier once I have more time during the days and the kids are back in school. So more stuff's coming, but thank you guys so much for hanging around and being part of my little community, and thank you so much for watching my videos, and definitely hit the thumbs up button because it really helps the algorithm, and say hi in the comments, and I'm so happy you're here, and I hope you have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!